a multimedia workstation, and it carries the full components of a workstation running Windows operating system, the ability to play DVD and VCRs, DVD in the machine, as well as a poor man's document camera. I'll cover the specifics in a little bit, but to show functionality, the machine running is actually a Windows virtual machine running VirtualBox OSE on the host machine, which is Ubuntu operating system. It's a 10.04 running a dual core E5200 2.5 gigahertz times 2, 4 gigs of RAM, 64-bit operating system, the 64-bit version. The back is, of course, standard Ubuntu, so it's got the Gnome 2.6 desktop environment, the windowing manager. It has set up to have 4 workspaces. Currently they're not named anything, they're just standard workspaces. So you have the ability to flip between a virtual machine, for example, a DVD VCR, again running in full screen, running VCR, and play. We'll just mute that. Just to show, as I said, proof of concept, or we can do the document camera. In this case, this is oriented a little bit differently, but just to show you, this is an actual live feed. This is, and I'll cover the particulars in a minute. And then, of course, you can consider this basically your master control. I'm running system monitor so that if I need to kill any process, also I can view any process and show that I'm running about 60% on each core because I'm actively streaming to video sources. And using the switcher, I can then go to different full screen views of any of the primary applications that you would use in a typical multimedia workstation setup like we have in the classrooms. To note about this is everything is being run through the PC. There is no video switcher. The video switching is actually done through active sessions driven by software and can be run interactively. No need to switch back and forth between different feeds. You can also run in a dual screen mode, so you could feed different setups, different workspaces set up for the different applications in a dual screen environment. Why is that important? Because you can then have either a single projector setup or a dual projector setup, and again, it's all interactive. Also note that because it doesn't have any of the video switchers, it doesn't need ELO touch panels, it doesn't need anything of the like. This a little bit more about the walkthrough. You heard about the machine. This is just a $15 camera purchased at Walmart with about a $45 high-def webcam. It's the Logitech 320H. The analog to USB converter is based on an EM2880 chipset, which is compatible with Linux right out of the box. The webcam was compatible right out of the box. Software took a few minutes to download and took about 30 minutes to configure.